Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here an unboxing of my Boxycharm Boxy Luxe. As you can see, this is basically Boxycharm but in steroids because this box is huge. So I have a regular Boxycharm box in here to compare the sizes, and yes, if you put it one next to each other, you see this is gigantic compared to the regular Boxycharm. So today I'm going to show you what I have in my box, and if you want to know what's in there, just keep watching. So if you don't know what is going on in here, I'll explain. Basically, Boxycharm has an upgrade that you can do every 3 months. This only happens every 3 months. If you were able to upgrade, you will be able to get this box every quarter, and it's an additional $29.99 charge besides the $21 regular Boxycharm. So you get this every 3 months, but every month you get the regular Boxycharm. You don't get the regular Boxycharm and this one together when this is available, so you only get the big one. The following months you get the regular one. So let's open this up. Here you basically get like a gigantic Boxycharm card. The theme for this month is Wildflower Boxy Luxe. I believe the regular box says Wildflower Boxycharm, and you get an image of all of the products that you get in this giant box in here, plus the list with all of the information. So let's see what I have. So, ooh, I am so happy about this. This is the main reason why I got these. Why I upgraded for Boxy Luxe, because I wanted this so bad. This is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Let me put this over here. Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. So basically this is a contour and highlight palette. Look how beautiful this package is. And this is what it looks like in there. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette retails for $45, and obviously it is a full size. Now here we have this Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette, and this has some really beautiful cool toned, very wearable neutral colors in here. And the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette retails for $35. Everyone also gets this tote from Boxycharm. Basically says totes a charmer. Yes, nice addition in there. I believe that tote bag is an addition because it doesn't show up in the list. This is all of the stuff that I got in my box. So here you have the Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set, and this 3 brushes set retails for $18. In here you have a Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. This retails for $70. Also you get this Smashbox Primer Water. This retails for $32. This is the Nicole Concilio collaboration with Smashbox. In here you get a Luxe foundation brush. This is like the new Luxe brushes styles, which is very, very slick. I love this new design for the brushes. This is nice and soft. This brush retails for $38. In here you get also a Sol de Janeiro Ipanema Sunset Glow Oil. This product retails for $35. You also get this Laura Geller blush. So this is so beautiful. I love this. This product retails for $28. You also get this Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Petal Pusher, And at first this had me fooled. I thought it was a regular lipstick, but when you open it, it's a liquid lipstick, and this is a beautiful color. This is perfect for the coming fall months. These retails for $17. You also get this Death Valley dry shampoo, and this product retails for $17. Last but not least, you get this really cute headband, and this retails for $4.99. So the overall value of this massive box is $399.99. And guess how much you pay? You only pay $50 once a quarter, because basically you only pay $29.99, because if you get the box every month, which is $21, you only pay $29.99 extra, and you get $339 worth of products, and these are full size, and these are freaking amazing. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to keep bringing these unboxings every time I get a Boxycharm and a Boxy Luxe, and I will be very happy to do it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video.